I just found out that Nitecore do a charger for Sony batteries. I like Nitecore. They do some good quality products and some nice chargers, also some nice flashlights. And I never knew that they do a charger for Sony batteries. And it's not expensive. We could say that about 20 pounds. It is expensive because you can find some chargers from £8 or even less. But this has some neat features, and although I didn't pay 20 pounds for it, it came out at about 15 online. I had to give it a go anyway. Now the features of it are on the back: the dual slot charger, so charges two batteries, the FP-NW50 batteries for Sony. It has a USB input, and the stuff that I was really interested about was the real-time information on the batteries, the status and everything else. So it will tell you the battery temperature, the charging current, and also it tells you if the battery is the health is good, normal or poor. And let's give this a first go. Of course, inside the little manuals, we don't need that. And the charger itself, it is extremely small. As you can see, it's very small. It's so it's here designed for Sony cameras and all that, and a little display on the top that has a little film right there that's removable so you can see clearly, and the little USB charging port right here. Now, being so short, if you want to plug it basically in a laptop, that's fine, but if you want to plug it into a desktop, then this cable right here is not that long, so it needs to be somehow extended, or you just need to plug it somewhere closer. And okay, I'm gonna plug it into my my battery right here, my power bank, and it does come on. You have 0 voltage, 0 milliamps right there. Now right here I have a couple of third-party batteries for Sony compatible. One is from Raw Power, and the other one is from DSTE, and two companies that make a lot of batteries. So just plug these in right here. So the first battery is plugged in. It tells me the slot 2 battery health is good. It's charged at about, I would say, there 60%. It's charging at 7.9 volts, 856 amps, 14 degrees Celsius, and 3. And plug this second battery in. And now slot 1 again. It's a good health. It tells me the voltage and all the other data that you want to see about your batteries. So all in all, it's probably very good for traveling because it's so small. And the only small drawback that I could basically see with it, it's just this extremely short USB charging cable, or input cable I would say, for it. It does not have any other input ports, so you would only input from a USB port. And that's the Nitecore USN1 dual port charger for Sony FP-NW50 batteries.